Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
This method implements selection sort. On each pass of the outer loop, it finds the smallest element in the unsorted portion of the array and swaps it. Into position J. Start. 6, 3, 2, 5, 4, 1. Pass 1. J equals 0. The smallest value in the entire array is 1, so it is swapped with 6. Result, 1. 3, 2, 5, 4, 6. Pass 2. The smallest value in 3, 2, 5, 4, 6 is 2, so it is swapped with 3. Result, 1, 2, 3, 5. 4, 6, pass 3. The smallest value in 3, 5, 4, 6 is already 3, so no change occurs. Result, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. Therefore, after 3. Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.